Still the fanfare, but less of the chaos of the first 2 days.
Hold the line, guys, hold the line.
Again, the accused entered flanked by security. This time no elbows, though still a gauntlet. One Mr. Pistorius can't ever have imagined he'd have to walk.
Where were you?
In court, the athlete seemed calmer too. At moments on Tuesday, he'd broken down. Now passing notes to his legal team as advocate Barry Rue pressed on with cross-examining a state witness, again claiming they heard screams followed by gunshots on that Valentine's Day night.
But there are two problems to your belief. And I'm trying in all fairness, it's a man's life at stake, in all fairness to say, let's look at other possibilities. One thing that does not fit in with your version, in all fairness, is a man screaming for help.
Before shots were fired, claimed neighbour Peter Johnson, the defence asked why, and then tried to cast doubt on the sequence of events. Could the sound of shots, in fact, have been Pistorius smashing down the toilet door?
I understand you believing that the noises that you heard were gunshot voices. I understand that. But you have to factor in the following. One, that once you know, subsequently, you get that confirmation for your belief that the woman was shot by Mr. Pistorius. It cements, that knowledge cements your belief.
Next, the prosecution called Justin Lorena.
A shot went off in the restaurant and then there was just complete silence.
In connection with the lesser charge of recklessly discharging a firearm in a restaurant weeks before the killing, a tactic presumably aimed at establishing a pattern.
I do remember Oscar saying, please, to Darren, just say it was you. I don't want any tension around me, just say it was you. And then once that was said, the people from the restaurant came to the table, and then that's when Darren said it was him.
Want a nice place here? Thank you.
Earlier, the faintest of smiles from the accused. No sign of that as he left. No fewer than 4 witnesses appeared in court today, adding to the suggestion that this trial could yet all be over far faster than expected. Now, from the defence, we appear to have a clearer picture of exactly what they'll focus on and try and contest. And the prosecution now appear to be honing in on Mr. Pistorius' character. Henderson, CCTV, Pretoria, South Africa.